Good morning, dear students, and a warm welcome to all of you for the literature class. How are you all? Hope you all are fine, isn't it? Are you all keeping fine? Today, once again, I have brought the new chapter for you all. That is called Jonathan Learns to Fly. Jonathan Learns to Fly. Chapter 3. Now, I will show you the picture. Wait. Here is the picture. Jonathan learns to fly. Now, who is Jonathan? You have to find out. You have to find out who is Jonathan here. Just wait. Look at here. Look at here. Two are watching. One is flying. Okay. I think by this time you have already collected books from the bookstore, so you may have the text with you. Dear students, I would like to give you a list of scrambled words. You need to arrange the letters related to flight. I don't want to hide because already I have given here: runway, pilot, swing, airport, hangar. These are the part of your text. It was given for warming up and I have put it down for the lecture. It's wonderful, indeed wonderful. Who is the author of Jonathan Learns to Fly? Richard David Bach. He is born in the month of June in 1936. He is an American writer. His works are mainly semi-autobiographical, and he uses events from his life to illustrate his belief. He feels that human beings can achieve whatever targets they set themselves. His deep love of flying is reflected in his story. What is the background of this? The book tells the story of Jonathan Livingston Seagull, a seagull who is bored, tired with the daily squabbles over food. He's tired only getting the food. He had a passion for flight. He pushes himself, learns everything, and that is the background. And that he can, he can. What is this? So he pushes himself and learns everything he can about flying. वह उड़ने का जितने उड़ने का जितने भी skill है वह सीखना चाहता है. Now let's see the word meaning, my dear students. Okay, listen. Seagull, seagull, a bird that lives near the sea and has short legs and long wings. Sparkle, ripples, chummed, dodge, strain, webbed, concentration, ruffles, tall, dismay, glides and altitudes, and streamline. Just see the meaning. You can get by yourself the Hindi meaning. Deliberately I have given, my dear students, in English so that you may improve. You may improve more in English. That's why I have given English meaning. Alright? Pelican, albatross, squeezing, tears, scraps, and shovey, abstract, vertical, churning, tremendous. Now coming to the story. You must be thinking, what is the story all about? Jonathan Learns to Fly is written by Richard Bach. It's a story of an ambitious and adventurous seagull whose main aim in life is to do something worthwhile and unforgettable. वह अपनी लाइफ में ऐसा यादगार चीज करना चाहता है, ऐसा काम करना चाहता है. For this reason, he practices what? Flying day and night. रोज दिन रात दिन वह उड़ना सीखता है. Soon learns to fly flawlessly to the utmost heights of the blue sky. इतनी ऊंचाई से उड़ना सीखता है. The story begins, my dear students. कहानी की शुरुआत होती है क्या? With the desire of Jonathan Livingstone Seagull, he wants a lot from life. वो जिंदगी में बहुत कुछ चाहता है, बहुत कुछ चाहता है. Commonly, most seagulls only care about one thing, that is eating. ये सामान्यतः देखा जाता है सीगल जातियों में केवल एक ही चीज पर उन लोगों का ध्यान रहता है, वो केवल खाने का. केवल खाना खाना, पेट भरना, बस उतना ही काफी. कहां से भरेगा पेट, बस उसका वही चिंता है. जोनाथन इज नॉट एन ऑर्डिनरी सीगल बेटा. जोनाथन कोई साधारण सीगल नहीं था. यद्यपि ही केयर्स अबाउट फ्लाइंग मोर देन एनी वन एल्स. वन मॉर्निंग so many seagulls flocked towards the breakfast behind fishing boat on the water. सवेर सवेर गया नाश्ता के लिए. नाश्ता के लिए क्या, सब एक साथ टूट पड़ता था. क्या, कीड़ा मकोड़ा, मछली उछली जो नाव के पास आजू बाजू में रहता था. जोनाथन इज प्रैक्टिसिंग फ्लाइंग ऑन द कर्व. सब कोई नाश्ता के चक्कर में गया और ये प्रैक्टिस कर रहा था. Jonathan's love for flying sets him apart from the other seagulls and even from his parents. And they are anxious that their sons spend hours alone each day practicing various aspects of flight, and he knows that this fascination with the flying separates him from the others. Jonathan लंबा लंबा फ्लाइंग कर रहा है. वे अन्य सीगल्स के परे है, यहां तक कि पापा मम्मी से भी दूर है. लेकिन वे लोगों को चिंता है कि बेटा घंटों प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है फ्लाइंग. वे लोग को चिंता है कि वे अन्य सीगल से दूर है. एनीवे, होता क्या है? When he experiments flying, Jonathan realized that he can fly more easily than he is closer to the water. बहुत धीरे धीरे अपने आप में एहसास होता है कि नहीं, he can fly. And the another disappointment comes on his way, that his parents are worried, anxious, so much because Jonathan is not eating enough. वो बढ़िया से खाना नहीं खा रहा है. And he is reminded about the reality of life. That's the only reason seagulls fly is to eat. That is the reality of life. Seagulls उड़ता है केवल खाने के लिए. And here it is something different. He is not eating enough. Oh, Jonathan. Jonathan is an obedient son. Tries for a few days to do what the other seagulls are doing. He dives and scratches the flies for scraps and like the rest, but he simply cannot keep doing it. There is too much to learn, and soon Jonathan is alone, far out at the sea, दूर में, and he is hungry but happy. भूखा है लेकिन खुश है. कम से कम अन्य लोगों से अच्छा उड़ता है ना. The ultimate aim was to set his speed, and he practices steep dives. When he was practicing steep dives into the waves, he realizes why other seagulls never do this. That is the mystery. That is interesting part. At कितना speed? 70 miles per hour in the vertical fall. Zoom. And he crashes every time, finally creates a world record by diving 90 miles per hour. Finally, the story ends with a setting an example for all the seagulls by covering 90 miles per hour, the speed of flying. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. You have got homework. Read the text, my dear students, and try to understand the story. Any problems, can you let me know? Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.